Good day, I am Mark Lawrence Bertulfo and I am going to perform the lab exercise 3, which is entitled 4x4 matrix keypad. We are going to need some components or devices, which is the Arduino Uno, the 4x4 matrix keypad, the liquid crystal LCD display, I2C, and relay. For this experiment I used LED, an RGB LED instead of using a relay, since the relay is not available, and the jumper wires. We are also going to use a servo motor for this experiment. So the first discussion about the 4x4 keypad. So the first activity, we are going to use a keypad and it will display on the Arduino or on the serial monitor. So we have just copied the code to the Arduino interface and upload it. Okay, I forgot to turn on the Arduino. Then let's upload it again. So it says it's successful. So let's Control Shift M, and as we can see, it pops up the Arduino. Wait. So whenever we touch the keys on the LED on the keypad, it will reflect on the serial monitor. So as I have pressed 1, it displays on the serial monitor. I press 2 and 3, A, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, asterisk, 0, number sign, A, B, C, and D. So as you can see, it responds very well. So let's proceed to the next code. This time we are going to use a liquid crystal I2C enabled LCD. So let's exit this one and let us proceed to the next code. Same process, we have copied the code from here to the Arduino software. So let us just upload it. Okay, let's turn down here. Okay. So the code is already uploaded. Let us just click some buttons here. Okay, as you can see, whenever what button we click, it responds and displays on the Arduino, on the LCD rather. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 asterisk number sign A, B, C, and D. So showing some modification. My instructor said that to modify the code so that it will continuously display the key that has been pressed, and it will just clear the LCD when the asterisk key is been pressed. So I just placed here an while statement. So while asterisk is high, it says it's not being pressed. When it is high, it continuously accepts the keys and displays it continuously to the LCD. So let us upload this one. Let us turn here on the so the code is already uploaded. As I press 1, it prints on 0 1. As I press 2, it just continuously 4 5 6, I forgot 5 7 8 9 0. When I press asterisk, it will clear the LCD. So it has no minimum. When I pressed 4 keys and I press the asterisk, it will clear the LCD. So I have pressed the maximum to be 16 digits, and it will no longer print whatever I click on the keypad. So when I press the asterisk, it will clear the LCD. So even if it's just one key, when I press the asterisk, it will clear the LCD. So and 3, when I press, as long as I am not pressing the asterisk, it will continuously print until it reaches its maximum display. Okay. So, let's proceed to the next code. It says a password. So let us modify this. Okay, it's been set up. So I just copied the code from the module. So let's upload this one. Okay, let's turn it again here. It's compiling the sketch and uploading. Okay, done uploading. So based from the module, it has a, and also the code, it has a password of 1 2 3 A 4 5 6. Oh, incorrect. Let's repeat. 1 2 3 A 4 5 6. Okay, that's it. Okay, if we input the wrong password, it will display an incorrect, and if we input the correct password, it will light up the LED. It will supply a 5 volt DC to whatever device or component we connect on the output pin. So it's supposed to be a relay, but I don't have a relay at this moment, so I use the LED instead. So, okay, so 1 2 3 8 4 5 6. It's correct. For the next activity, things to do. Okay, we have things to do. So try adding 2 more relay and set another password for that second and third relay. So I have prepared already here a code which consists of 3 or 4 passwords rather, but the password has 5 characters in length, and it will light up separately the R, the red, the green, and the blue LED. And there is another option if we want to light the RGB simultaneously. So let's upload this. Okay, I'll turn down the camera. Okay, let's wait for the code to be uploaded. It's compiling the sketch and uploading. Okay, welcome. Enter 4-pin password to light LED. Okay, 4-pin password. This time I have set the password for one of the LED to be 123A. So it's correct. The red LED was activated. After 5 seconds, it will turn off. And 456B for the green LED, and 789C, I guess, for the blue LED. That's correct. So for the other one, so as we can see, different password leads to different functions or commands. So if we input the specific password for that command or function, it will create an output for that specific password. So 456B is also a separate or a different function or response. For 789C, it's incorrect. So we need to be careful on typing on the keypad, since we don't have a clear command. Okay, for the RGB LED to light simultaneously, let us input A, B, C, D. Okay, so to deactivate that one, we need to long press asterisk. Okay, it's not that far. So another things to do, it says incorporate the servo on the 4x4 keypad matrix and LCD display by displaying its angle and pressing the angle in the 4x4 matrix keypad. The servo should turn on its angle and an option key to reset from 0-degree angle. So our servo motor must get or recognize our input from the 4x4 keypad. So I have created the code already. It's not that long. It's just Okay, the void loop is from here up to here. It's like a long code because I made the font bigger for us to see. Okay, let us upload the code. So it's compiling the sketch. Okay, I forgot to turn it here to connect the servo. Okay, it's compiling the sketch and uploading. Servo control. So on this code we need a 3 input so that the servo would recognize, or the code would recognize the inputs. So right now it's an 0 0 degree. So let's turn this to 90. Oh, it will be an error, I guess, invalid. So we need 3 inputs, 0 90. Okay, for a 180 to 50, it's invalid, it's more than 180. So 150. So to reset the servo, we need to input ABC. Servo reset. Okay, so like 510 is an invalid input. 50 degrees. Okay, 120, 180. Okay, so I guess that's good. That's it for the exercise 3, all about using the 4x4 matrix keypad. By the way, I have just assembled this matrix keypad. It's composed of 16 tactile switches. I just assembled this for this activity, and I have printed this one to get a decent keypad to use. Okay, that's all for this exercise. Thank you very much and good day.